I had lateral canthoplasty, but some problems came up. So I was constantly stressed and it bothered me so much that I finally decided to restore it. I had a consultation at an eye surgery specialist in Gangnam, and they explained everything so thoroughly that I decided to do it there. It's been a little over a month since the surgery, and I'm overall satisfied because the scarring I was most worried about is minimal. I worried a lot, thinking am I paying money just to become ugly again? But now the stressful parts have improved, so I even regret not doing it sooner. The eye size isn't much different from before, and it feels like I've found a harmonious proportion for my entire face. For those thinking about lateral canthoplasty restoration, I think it would be good to get a consultation at this clinic.